Mustard. Can we have some mustard?
Mustard! No one ever asked for a refill of mustard. I'm so excited!
Thank you.
What a nice boy, Hilga. Sorry, I don't think I introduced myself. I'm Hilga, and this is Helga
Oh, hey.
from the commissary staff. We just think you're great.
Okay.
What campsite are you from?
We are from Ute.
Oh, great. What do you need?
We need some more corn. We are out of corn.
Why do you need more corn?
We have big boys.
Big boy. Write down. Write down. What? You? Write that down. Hilga.
Hey,
What? What?
We ran out of beans.
Beans?
Beans.
Nobody ever runs out of beans.
But we did.
Are you? Beans.
Yeah, we ran out of beans.
Hilga.
Everybody needs beans.
All right.
And can we have some more cookies too?
Cookies is dessert. No more dessert. We really can't get you more cookies. We have to go down to Idaho Falls. Do you know how far that is?
I'm sorry.
Catherine, let me see
You know what? You're lucky we were here. We were just about to leave.
We're out of milk.
Excuse me?
We're out of milk. We need something to drink with our food. Water?
Is this your big boy?
That's not big boy.
Not that big. You guys ever get those statues that need like double of everything?
Yeah, like you guys.
Oh,
Yeah, Hilga. You tell him. No.
we need some more cobbler mix.
Don't tell me you made potatoes with your cobbler.
What do you want me to say then?
Imbecile. Fill it up. Don't. One more time, mister.
Okay.
One more. Wink at me? Damn.
No, I know you guys asked, and we're hungry, but we need some more mustard though.
You're lucky you brought this crate back, mister. Mustard. You guys are fatties. You are fat.
Oh my gosh, I love it.